Yeah, feeling the stress, I need some rest. I need to get some things off of my chest. My head's a mess, feel like I'm stuck in distress. Feel like I'm fucking depressed. Sit in the dark, sit with my thoughts, asking myself, shit am I lost? Giving myself, but then at what cost? Living in cell, wish I could pause. It got me stuck up, not giving a fuck. Feel like I wanna give up. It's 3 a.m. and I'm opening up all of the chapters I should've kept shut. And you know the moments it's hard to be honest. You feel like you're drowning in all of your problems. You feel like you're down and your heart is just pounding, trying to get out of it, closing your eyes and then
I close my eyes and hide.